What did you want to be when you were growing up? Listen to this conversation and learn about gender-inclusive everyday terms in English.
What did you want to be when you were growing up, Anne?
I really wanted to be a mail carrier, just like my mom. How about you?
I always wanted to be a police officer.
And you became one. Did you have any other jobs before you became a police officer?
Well, I worked as a server for a little while when I was in college. Did you work while you were in school?
I was a salesperson at a grocery store. I loved working there, but I'm glad I'm a teacher now. There are many words in English that are gender-specific. For example, there are words that end in man or s, as in mailman or waitress. But many people are now using more gender-inclusive terms instead. There were a few examples in the conversation we just listened to. A mail carrier is a person who delivers mail. A server is a person who serves food in a restaurant. A police officer is a person who enforces laws, protects people, and investigates crime. And a salesperson is a person who sells things for a store or company. Now it's your turn. Click pause and replace the gender-specific term in each sentence with a gender-inclusive one. This is American English. Thank you for watching.